And while there's a bit of a chill as you step outside, may need that light jacket into this Tuesday morning here, rather, across mid-Missouri. But it is noticeably going to be a warmer end as we continue to track that warmer start. A good 10 degrees warmer compared to what we were waking up to yesterday. And that's just a sign of just how chilly it was to kick off that work week here across mid-Missouri. Continue to track this cold front, though, that's closing in on us as we get into the early morning hours this morning for our Tuesday. That's really not going to be bringing a whole lot of meaningful weather to us here in the mid-Missouri. We're actually even going to be even warmer than what we were tracking yesterday. Temperatures back into those upper 70s. The only meaningful difference between yesterday and today is just those winds going to be out of a different direction, a westerly direction later on this evening as that cold front slides on through. It will be a little bit breezy at times, again, pretty similar to what we were tracking yesterday. Those winds will turn out of a more southwesterly direction tonight, and that'll keep us nice and comfortable into tomorrow. A little bit warmer, though, even as we get into Wednesday with that warmer start. Again, you can imagine temperatures getting off to a bit of a head start by the morning, topping out in those middle 80s for our Wednesday. That looks like it's probably going to be the warmest day of this work week. Looking at that dog park forecast, we'll back those temperatures off into the upper 70s on Thursday, and that's about where we're going to be holding here as we get into this weekend, those upper 70s and low 80s here by Friday. More sunshine, though, looks to be in store by and large here as we work our way all the way through the rest of this work week and right on into this weekend. We've been staying bone dry. Again, looking in the upper levels of the atmosphere, that wind out of the northwest, that typically spells a pretty dry pattern for us here across mid-Missouri, but things going to be changing here. It's going to take a little bit of time. There's what's now Hurricane Delta working on shore here down around Louisiana. Again, get you up to about Friday evening. That's when we're expecting landfall with that tropical system that we're going to be continuing to track over these next couple of days. Still not going to be expecting any impacts to us here in the mid-Missouri because we're going to stay on the west side of that. What is going to be impacting us, though, by Monday into Tuesday, looks like a big trough here that's going to be digging across really the western half of the United States, and that looks like it's going to be trying to bring us some active weather as we get into maybe late Monday into Tuesday night. But looking at some of the latest data coming in this morning, there's not a ton of moisture with this system. It looks like it may just be coming in with some cooler air on the other side of this 7-day forecast. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, a lot of sunshine is going to be in it. Again, that's going to be a staple of it as we get into these next couple of days. We've added on a few clouds here for Thursday, but that's just about it as we get through the rest of this work week. Temperatures bouncing around in the upper 70s and low 80s. Aside from tomorrow, we're going to be getting all the way back into the middle 80s here across mid-Missouri, but those overnight lows going to be hanging out in the mid to upper 50s going forward.